So I want you to pause this video right now, measure and cut out your fanny pack pattern. The next step is pinning. Pin all of your patterns to the fabric of your choice. Fold the fabric in half along with the pattern. The flaps should be folded 2 times. Cut out all of the pieces for the fanny pack. You can keep your pattern and reuse it for another fanny pack. The zipper can be any length of your choosing. However, if you would like the zipper to go across the full fanny pack, please have a 12 to 14 inch zipper. If you are using a sewing machine, please be sure to use a zipper foot. This step is optional, however you can add interfacing, lining, jewelry, or anything of your choosing to decorate your fanny pack. Simply measure your waist and subtract the fanny pack length from your waist measurement. You can add elastic, Velcro, or a simple parachute buckle for your waistband. Sew the smaller openings of the flaps to the waistband. Pin the back of the fanny pack to the top and the front. Be sure to unzip the zipper so you can put the fanny pack inside out. Hey Amores, thank you so much for watching this video. Hold up, if you're new to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.